Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing retirement visas specifically, or retirement in Thailand generally, and banking in Thailand, and the notion of the chicken or the egg. Look, more and more, as I've discussed in other videos, there's all kinds of banking issues that are happening for people. Banking is becoming, frankly, more onerous to deal with. Now, not all banks are doing what some of the big banks are doing, which is, in my opinion, doing nothing but alienating customers with all of these ridiculous biometric requirements associated with maintaining bank accounts or unfreezing bank accounts, all this nonsense associated with so-called mule accounts, which that whole mule account sort of buzzword to my mind is just completely illegitimate. That said, the point I'm trying to make here is banking has become somewhat more difficult to deal with as a foreigner, especially in Thailand. On top of that, we've seen crackdowns under the last government here in Thailand, which as of yet I haven't seen it reverse, but we're in early days on this government, and it doesn't have very long. This government only has like a shelf life of 4 months. But the point I'm trying to make is they tighten things down with regard to converting visa status, where that's basically impossible now to convert into retirement visa status in Thailand, which then brings up the issue of, well, how do I get a retirement visa? I need a bank account, which I can't get on things like a tourist visa or a visa exemption or a DTV, which, again, banking restrictions are now saying you can't get a bank account on those things, but I want to retire in Thailand. Well, there are ways of dealing with this. We have a number of different solutions depending on the facts in a given individual's case, wherein we can get them into some kind of either visa status or banking status, and then be able to get them into proper retiree status, and then long term they can use that along with their bank account to maintain their status. So there are options out there, but again, it's going to depend heavily on the facts in a given case as to which options can be utilized. I don't see banking getting any easier, particularly moving forward, although I hope it does. I very much hope, for example, Thailand rejects joining the OECD, so we don't have to deal with any of this anymore. But that said, that remains to be seen, and we'll certainly be keeping you updated on this channel as the situation evolves.